Just because you have a concealed carry permit doesn't mean that you can carry everywhere, at least not yet. Cross the wrong state line and you could go from responsible concealed carrier to felon real quick. It's kind of terrifying. In this video, we're breaking down concealed carry reciprocity, so you know exactly where your permit is valid, how to stay legal while traveling, and what to do if you end up in a state that doesn't recognize your right to carry.
Not to worry, I have a permit.
This just says I can do what I want.
This video is sponsored by Eclipse Holsters. Eclipse Holsters has truly changed the way we shop for holsters forever. Their holsters are completely customizable with a ton of different patterns, colors, and belt clips, and even custom aluminum washers. They meet all of my holster safety requirements, and they are custom made right here in America. The best part is that your holster will ship within just 3 days. Quality custom holsters, 0 wait time, and a lifetime guarantee. Check them out at eclipseholsters.com. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. With so many different laws from state to state, it's easy to get confused. Let's clear that up and talk about exactly what you need to know about reciprocity before your next trip. First things first, I am not an attorney and this is not legal advice. I'm just a fellow concealed carrier and I have done a lot of research for my own knowledge, but I reserve the right to be wrong from time to time, although it's rare. So what is concealed carry reciprocity? Concealed carry reciprocity is an agreement from one state to honor the concealed carry permit of another state. For instance, I have a valid West Virginia concealed carry permit, my home state. When I go into Virginia, my West Virginia concealed carry permit is valid there too, because Virginia has a reciprocity agreement with West Virginia concealed carry permit holders.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
However, if I go into Maryland, my concealed carry permit from West Virginia is not honored there because they do not have a reciprocity agreement with West Virginia or most other states. Stupid Maryland. So if I conceal carry there, then that would be a crime. You see why this can be quite the pickle. In one state, totally fine. In another state, felony. It's insane.
And I can't be trusted.
Then I guess we're in a pickle.
The reason that some states don't have reciprocity agreements with other states is often because of political leadership or even political differences between states. As in, we don't want those conservative hillbillies from West Virginia to have a right to protect themselves in our state.
And on the third day, God created the Remington bolt-action rifle so that man could fight the dinosaurs.
Some governors and state senators even hate that they can't keep their own citizens from concealed carrying. But because of what happened in the recent Supreme Court decision in New York, they can't stop it. So put that in your juice box and suck it. I was a little aggressive.
I'm sorry.
The other kicker that you need to be aware of is that although your concealed carry permit might be recognized by another state, they may still have their own specific codes about where you can and can't carry. It's always a good idea to check the state code to see if there's any specific laws around concealed carry. Like, can you carry in a place that serves alcohol? Can you carry on a college campus? What if a private business has a no gun signs on their door? What are the consequences for that? These things vary from state to state, so do a little bit of reading on the codes of the state you're traveling to. I also have to mention permitless carry. There's currently 29 states that do not require a concealed carry permit, which is pretty awesome. It's almost like we have a right to keep and bear arms. But I still think that for most people, it's a good idea to go ahead and get the concealed carry permit. Like I said before, I have a West Virginia concealed carry permit, even though West Virginia is a permitless carry state. Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why? Why?
Because many other states that do require a permit have a reciprocity agreement with West Virginia, like Virginia, North Carolina, and Pennsylvania. Because I have a West Virginia permit, I can carry in those states too.
Ooh, that's interesting.
So how do you know which states have reciprocity agreements with your state? Well, it's never a bad idea to just Google that state's concealed carry law and look at the website that has their specific state codes. But the best all-in-one resource that I've found is the USCCA's reciprocity map. You can click on your state and it'll show you what states honor your permit and which states are permitless carry. It'll even link the state codes for any updates and changes. USCCA didn't pay me anything to talk about this, and I'm not even a USCCA member. It's just the best resource that I've found so far. What if you're traveling through a state that does not honor your concealed carry permit? Most will require the firearm to be unloaded in a locked hard case and the magazines need to be unloaded. Kind of stupid. I had to do this a few months ago driving through Illinois on the way back from the Active Self-Protection Conference in Kansas. I was not a happy camper. What if you get pulled over while carrying a concealed handgun? I plan on doing a full video on this soon, but be as respectful as possible and hand the officer your concealed carry permit with your driver's license. Keep your hands on the steering wheel and don't be stupid.
When an officer approaches your car, be polite.
Make sure you check the state law of the state that you're traveling to and stay up to date on any changes. The USCCA map is a great starting point. What other questions do you have about traveling with a concealed handgun? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stay firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.